Today, we should be finding out whether the coronavirus has come here to San Diego. Health officials say they are waiting for test results to determine if this is the first case here. Meanwhile, 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie is near the border where officials at the Cross Border Express are taking some extra precautions. Mary?
Virginia, since last week, they've been doing these thermal imaging screenings on inbound passengers from Beijing that arrive twice weekly. This as we wait for word on the results of that test. The health officials here in San Diego County saying it's not a question of if the virus is coming here, but really when. And we know that the virus can now spread before a person shows symptoms. So we'll wait to see today if in fact San Diego does have its first confirmed case of coronavirus. There are precautions, they say, officials that is, being taken throughout the county. As so far, at least 5 people in the U.S. have tested positive for the virus, including one in Orange County and one in L.A. As for this new possible case, Dr. Wilma Wooten of the County Department of Health and Human Services says the person has visited Wuhan, China, the epicenter of the outbreak. But Wooten declined to say how that person's doing, what hospital they're staying in, or any further details about the person. But she does reassure folks that if you have not traveled to China or been in contact with anyone who has, your risk of contracting coronavirus is quite low.
Wash your hands frequently and properly. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or your mouth after you've been touching items out in the community.
It's worth noting that the last inbound flight from Beijing for the next handful of months actually arrived here yesterday. That's due to some pre-planned construction at the airport. No word on how that might impact those precautions going forward. We're live at CBX this morning. Mary McKenzie, 10 News.